Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out this autoabc wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto device, which I received from autoabc directly. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. I will put a link in the description where you can find this device itself. I'm just about to do some unboxing and then I will attempt to install it. I've never done anything like this, so this is going to be my very first time. I will install it in a Volkswagen Golf. It's the electric Golf. Let's roll. Alright, so obviously there was the device itself, tons of cables, some tools for removing and installing items, some installation diagrams, and some self-adhesive Velcro pieces, I suppose, to secure it somewhere on the inside of the car, and even more cables. I'm just about to study the user manual because I've never used anything like this. Okay, I'm in a little bit of a trouble because that's technically all the instruction, which doesn't really tell me how I need to install it, where I need to install it, how to access the certain things. Also, just to show you, obviously I couldn't find anything on the manufacturer's website, not a list of steps how to do, not a diagram, not pictures, no like tutorial videos. That's all I've got. Obviously I have some basic idea about how to do, but for example there is this part, like this dip switch. Let's see if it can focus on it. Come on, focus. Anyway, as it is a Volkswagen and it has a 7-inch screen, I decided to go for the A3 Volkswagen 7 settings, which says number 1 of the switch is low and all the others are high. So that's what I've done. Fingers crossed that will do the trick. Also, I won't connect all the cables. There is this AMI something cable. I'm not sure if I need it. Where would I connect it? There is a microphone. I think I'm going to skip that one too. I don't know. I would be happier for sure with some more instructions how to do. I've got some basic idea, but yeah, not the happiest. Anyway, let's roll. The head unit in this car is hidden in the, well, not really hidden, but it is located in the gloves compartment. I'm going to show you how to access it. Okay, this model doesn't have a reverse or front camera, so I hope I can get away with only unplugging the big connector and the one for the screen, for the media display. Fingers crossed. Then I will try to deal with the cables somehow. There is not much of space. I really don't want to disassemble any more than this, but we'll see. Maybe I will have to. Okay, I tried a few functions. It worked more or less fine. Only the hands-free is a bit interesting because when I try it through the Carplay, then it's very echoey and I can also not hear properly on the other side. But if I switch to the phone's own hands-free and then I start up the Carplay, then somehow it works fine. So I'm not sure, I need to work out what's the story behind. Now I just need to find a way how to handle this cable jungle. I'm not sure if there will be a video of that part because really not much space where I could put the camera even. Point being, I will try to just lead the cables here and there just to avoid any trouble with and to be able to push the head unit back to its place. Yeah, basically that's that. Okay, I got to this point, but it wasn't easy. At the end, I had to remove this plastic on the side. I had to remove 3 screws up here on the top, and behind the radio there is 1 more screw on the inside, which I had to remove. All these ones are Torx screws. Even if I really wanted to record that part, I couldn't, because there was just enough space when I pushed it down a little to have enough space for my hand, let alone the camera, to see what I'm doing. So from the top, I mean from the bottom I was pushing the cables up, and from the top I was leading it on the side and then backwards. So now that's what it is. Okay, well, unfortunately it didn't fit properly that side. I couldn't close the gloves compartment, so now I had to open up the dashboard again, or the gloves compartment rather, and put the cables from the other side. There is a bit of space, a small compartment on that side where I can put it. However, I cannot really fix it to anything at all. Hopefully the cables are going to hold it enough that it's not going to move all around. Fingers crossed, we will see. Anyhow, it's the neighbor's car, so in case it will make some noises, then we will work out some other way to fix it. Okay, let's see some music via the Carplay. I'm going to play only a couple of seconds of each song due to copyright restrictions, but the aim is just to see if it starts to play at all.
Welcome to TuneIn.
Okay, I'm trying to make the mirroring work somehow, but it doesn't want to. I'm connected to the correct network, I'm connected with the right password. I disabled the CarPlay as it asked me to do so on the phone, and I switched it off, on, same with the car, turned it off and on. For some reason, with my phone, the screen mirroring doesn't want to work. All right, boys and girls, that was the AutoABC's wireless Android Auto / CarPlay. As I said, it's from AutoABC. Honestly speaking, I spent 4 hours to install it, but purely because I didn't have a single bit of instructions, where to put, how to put. I had some ideas, and of course I checked some other videos where I could get some ideas, but it was not showing me exactly what I need to do, but it was good for a baseline. Now, knowing all I know how to install it, it would take no more than 20 minutes to do so. You only have to remove like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws, 2 plastic panels, and to push down the gloves compartment to access the cabling properly, and then you can put the cables to the right position. And as I said, it was no more than 20 minutes. Obviously, it depends on the type of the car, because maybe in another type it's only 15, maybe in another car it's like at least an hour if it's more complicated and you have cameras and so on to connect. But in this particular Golf, it was only 20 minutes. And as I said, I've never done it in my life. So that was another contributing factor why it was taking me 4 hours to figure out what's going where. According to the instructions, I should have looked for like a pink color cable or a cable with a pink connector. But on this particular head unit, I had to remove actually the one which was like a grayish, greenish. So that didn't really help either. I had to do a lot of research in the background. But as I said, with my knowledge right now, it would not take longer than 20 minutes to install it in this particular car. The music was working fine. The navigation was working fine. As I said, it was super easy to install. My only problem was, and most probably it's me to blame, that I couldn't make the screen mirroring to work. But honestly speaking, I couldn't even be bothered with the screen mirroring, because the other features worked fine of the Apple CarPlay that I tried. So for me, that was enough. Even in my own car, I use only the Apple CarPlay. I wouldn't use the screen mirroring and so on. That's more than enough when you drive. Other than that, with this code, you can get 20% off your purchase. And in the description of the video, you can find the link where you can buy if you want to do so. I can hands-on heart recommend. With the right instructions or the right knowledge, it's super easy to install. And I would say it's a good value for money. And I can hands-on heart recommend. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.